Welcome everyone. Today we learn how to efficiently remove specific key value pairs from an object in JavaScript. This is a common task in programming, especially when working with APIs or manipulating data objects. Let's explore how to do it effectively. The problem is simple. Given an object and a list of keys, remove the corresponding key value pairs from the object and return a new object. This can be done efficiently using a built-in JavaScript methods. Let's see how. Here's the JavaScript code for the solution. The omit function takes two arguments, an object and an array of keys to remove. We use object keys method to get an array of all keys in the object. The filter method removes keys that are present in the specified array. The reduce method reconstructs the object with the remaining key value pairs. This approach ensures the original object remains untouched while returning a new object. Let's break it down step by step. First, we validate the input to ensure they are in the correct format. Next, we filter out the keys that need to be removed using the filter method. Then, we use reduce to build a new object with only the desired key value pairs. Finally, we return the resulting object. Here are some examples. Removing the key B from the first example results in A1C3. Removing key C from the second example leaves A1B2. Removing keys X and Z from the third example results in Y20. These test cases show how versatile and efficient this function is. This data is widely applicable in real-world scenarios. For API data, when working with APIs, you may need to exclude certain fields before sending or displaying data. Data cleaning, to remove unnecessary keys to prepare objects for analysis or processing. UI rendering, to customize data for rendering in user interfaces by omitting irrelevant fields. It is a handy tool for managing and manipulating object data. To summarize, the omit function is a powerful tool for selectively removing key value pairs from an object. It is efficient, preserves the original object, and is indeed extremely useful in various data manipulation tasks. Remember, mastering techniques like this helps you write clean and maintainable code. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next